Welcome to our channel. If iCloud isn't syncing or backup errors occur, these troubleshooting steps will resolve the issue. Step 1. Check iCloud storage space. Go to Settings, tap your name, iCloud to view available storage. Step 2. Verify you're signed into the same Apple ID on all devices requiring sync. Step 3. Check your internet connection. iCloud needs Wi-Fi for backups and stable connection for syncing. Step 4. Toggle iCloud services off and on. Go to Settings, iCloud. Toggle off affected services. Wait, toggle on. Step 5. Force restart your device. This refreshes system processes affecting iCloud. Step 6. Update to latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Step 7. Sign out of iCloud and sign back in. This refreshes your connection to iCloud servers. Step 8. Reset network settings if sync issues persist. Settings, General, Reset, Reset network settings. Step 9. Contact Apple support if problems continue. They can check for account-specific issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.